Indirect water heater here with the Burnham Alpine. Boy, I wish this was the other guy's unit on the floor, but still don't got clearance back there. But we got a leak on the return piping, domestic side. So we're gonna use the press machine, put on another female adapter, throw a coupling in there, new elbow, and replace this piece of cake. So we're gonna drain first. Open this up, close this, close these up, drain from there, got that closed there, get the pressure out, swap that out. And of course we got nothing in there. Yeah, all right, let's cut the pipe. Broke the air. Now we're draining. Let that sizzle for a little bit. Cut this there as well, and then spin this male adapter or female adapter off. Threads are fine. Perfect. Stainless steel nipple. We're good. I love Blue Monster, by the way. Take a little Pro Dope on it as well, just a little bit. That's how I like to do my joints on hydronic systems. So we have our Nipco, not Viega today, 1-inch press by female adapter. We'll get that on there. All right, I got this tightened up. I like to clean my fittings, especially on existing piping when I use the press machine. So let's start with the Viega 1-inch press coupling. It's got the stop built in right there. I don't mark my fittings to make sure that they don't pop out. You get the feeling, you know, if it's in there or not. And I'm just gonna cut this back a little bit just to get a measurement. Okay. Make sure these are still in there, which they are. she wrote, folks. Under a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 joints. Can't beat it.